Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're about to do a healthy grocery haul at Aldi. And we were gonna go to Trader Joe's, but it was like crazy there. So there's a lot of people here too, and we just wanted to record a little intro before we went in because we don't know if we're gonna be able to talk inside. So we come to Aldi a lot and found a lot of good secrets. Probably not everything is gonna be healthy, to be honest, right? We have a sweet tooth, and I don't know, I'm gonna try to find something for us to make for dinner tonight while we watch the game. And yeah, so I'll probably set my phone up in the cart and then just like have a time lapse or something of everything we're putting in there. Maybe he'll record some of like me picking things out, picking some things up, but I don't know, we'll see if I get to talk in there. I might not.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? A scene that keeps playing on repeat, ignores the rule of thumb. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade until you paint it black. I let it burn, you call the fire brigade, but I feel that it will come back. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come we're in. I breathe you in and I can tell where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Where I end and you begin. Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from?
Oh my god. We can just try it. It's like that Aldi ranch chicken milk. I'm gonna get a thing of sauce for these ravioli, and then I think we'll be good. Oh, there's pepperoni. Did you get it? Tomato, basil, garlic. Ostrich sauce. And then, do we get anything else for the pizza? Yeah.
We have tortilla chips.
Gravy or original? Where does it come from? so weird.
What?
It's so weird.
Banana chips.
I just feel like we don't have anything in here for like an actual meal other than ravioli, salads, pizza.
Yeah.
Totally. Cornbread crisp, barbecue flavor. What do we think about those? No? Get some baby cucumbers, actually. What about bagels? No, we have bagels. Did you eat all the cream cheese, though? Here they are. Way slimy. Broccoli. Baby carrots. Baby carrots for the ranch dip. Nah. We won't get them. Huh? Bye. I feel like we should get just one more thing for like a meal.
And pizza and a salad and some meal.
How about like some sausage or something? No? Chicken sausage? What about chicken breakfast sausage?
That sounds good.
Apple maple sausage.
Fruity.
Oh wait, look at these. Tortellini. Get this. 5 cheese tortellini. Or is that the same? There's literally like 5 ravioli in here. It's not a meal for anyone. Alright, I guess that's it. So I'm gonna get some of this yogurt. Chobani, less sugar. Greek yogurt. I'm getting 2. Okay, we're gonna leave this store because everyone's looking at us and Brendan's getting nervous. So, here's an overview of the cart, and we'll talk about what we got when we get home.
Cause my heart is on hold on, so I need you to play on, play on, play
Okay guys, I just wanted to show you some of the things that I got earlier. Let's see. Okay, first of all, I got these like Cheerios, and then a really good snack if you're craving something sweet is mixing like the semi-sweet, what are these called? Chocolate chips with this, and then just like mix them up, make a little trail mix. You can add like raisins or banana chips or something in there. Got some frozen green beans to heat up for dinners. I found this Euro kit, and it was like $7. It makes 5 sandwiches, and I love gyros and literally crave them all the time, so I thought I should try it out, see how they turn out. And we got this cheese ravioli to heat up for dinner one night. Let's see, what's this down here? Spring mix for salads. These apple peach applesauce. It's a good quick snack. Where'd you put the other one like this?
I have no idea.
No. Okay, well I got this. Like a noodle bowl to heat up. Avocados. These were organic, I think, yeah. I feel like they don't always have organic things there. These garlic naan flatbread, naan. We're gonna make like not homemade pizza, but little pizzas tonight. Got this tomato sauce. We'll just spice it up a little bit, and then mozzarella cheese. This sauce for the ravioli. You can see, oh yeah, tomato, basil, and garlic. I don't like when tomato sauce has like big chunks of like onions or tomatoes. Like, oh my god, that just grosses me out so much. Nectarines. Oh, here's the other noodle bowl. This is the miso soup bowl. It has tofu, scallions, seaweed. I love miso soup. I don't think I've ever had it with noodles though, so I'm excited to try these out. I crave Asian food like 24/7, so less sugar, honey, wait, what is this? Vanilla cinnamon, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese for a good snack, easy snack. Oops. We're getting ready to watch the Blues game right now, and while I make dinner, I'm gonna make this ranch dip. Not the healthiest, but why not? So we got potato chips. Put that up there. Boom, chicken pot. This is just the sea salt one. I like the kettle corn one. It's really good. I don't think I've had the sea salt one. We found these exotic blend vegetable chips. The taro ones, the white ones. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I like these because they're really thin and crispy. Vitamin D milk for cereal if I want some Cheerios without chocolate chips. Peaches. I like putting my peaches in cottage cheese. Brendan gets grossed out about that, but literally ever since I was a kid, I love doing that. Let's see, is that everything? Okay, yeah, so I think that's everything. Where's my receipt? I'm gonna check on the receipt for the pricing on a couple of things. So yeah, we got all of this for $55.71, and I got 3 paper bags, but they're like 7 cents a piece. We didn't get a lot of stuff for like meals and things like that, but throughout the week we don't even really have meals, so it doesn't really matter. So yeah, avocados for the salad. I'm excited to try these. I like the regular cheese ravioli. I'll leave this out for dinner and put some pepperoni. Here. Okay, well, I'm gonna go put this all away and try to find room for it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's go Blues.
Play on.